stop. Stop all the diet confusion. This short presentation is only for busy women like you who want a simple, fast way to lose weight without having to starve yourself, do crazy exercise, or sacrifice great tasting foods. You're about to learn the premier weight loss and health acceleration technique for women based on the same nutritional science used by celebrities, personal trainers, health bloggers, and fit moms all over the world. And it's so simple that women just like you are using the same information to transform their bodies and lives every day. Like Isabelle from Oklahoma, who says, "I just wanted to say thank you for this wonderful information. I am into week 3 and so far I've lost 12 pounds. My blood pressure is normal, my cholesterol is good, my migraines are almost non-existent, and I have loads of energy. After years of trying every diet out there, I believe my search is finally over. I recommend this program to all of my friends and family." And Kathy from Florida, who says, "After so many long years of fighting the battle of the bulge with too many diet programs to mention and taking pills for so many things, this simple system made it possible for me to lose 30 pounds in less than 3 months. I went from a size 12 to a size 4. No more large or extra large sizes in anything. I fit in a small and even extra small now. My blood pressure is now normal, cholesterol, no more issues, blood sugar super. I am a healthy 130-pound woman who feels great, looks great, eats healthy, and sports a size 4. Now, to show you exactly how this works, I'd like to introduce you to the creator of the system. He's a professional board-certified health coach named Drew, or Health Coach Drew, as his clients call him. Drew has helped thousands of women just like you lose weight, gain more confidence, and wake up every day feeling energetic and excited about their new lives. What he's going to show you is going to completely change everything you thought you knew about losing weight and getting healthy. One last thing. Please watch this video all the way to the end for a special surprise Drew has for you.
Hey, my name is Amanda, and I wanted to share the results that I've had using a diet called the Smoothie Diet. I started the diet after having my second son. I had gained about 70 pounds all in all throughout 2 pregnancies and had tried many other ways to take the weight off, and just nothing was working for me. Everything was just too hard, or I was hungry all the time, and I was super cranky. And so I found the smoothie diet, which is so easy to follow. You basically just make the smoothies, which taste amazing. You replace certain meals with them. The shopping lists are included, recipes are included, and all in all, it was a very easy diet for me to follow. I've been using everything I learned from the program to keep the weight coming off. So at this point, I've lost almost 70 pounds. The smoothies were absolutely delicious. They were filling. I never really felt like I was missing out on anything. And the best part, especially as a young mom, was the incredible energy that I felt like I had. I didn't even feel like I needed my morning coffee anymore. Drew was absolutely fantastic to work with. Anytime I had a question or I needed more information about something, I was able to email him and he would email me right back with the information that I needed. So I never felt like I was in the dark. I always felt like there was communication there. So I would highly recommend this smoothie diet to anyone who's looking for a really great and easy way to lose weight without feeling like you're hungry or missing out on something. Thanks and good luck.
Here are the special bonuses she mentioned earlier. Bonus number 1. The 3-day smoothie detox. This detox program is easily worth the price of the whole program. This is something you can do before you start the 21-day program to help clear out the cobwebs and get your body ready for optimal results. It can also be used anytime you want to lose a quick few pounds or reset your health after you go off track. The great thing is that you will see almost instant weight loss results. One of my clients lost 3 pounds in 3 days with this detox program. The program includes 3 days of 3 specially designed meal replacement detox smoothie recipes, a complete shopping list for everything you need, as well as your choice of 2 recipe options. Bonus number 2. Quick start guide. If you're anything like me, you want to get right to the good stuff. I designed this guide to be an easy reference you can print out and start using right away without needing to read the longer core guide. It's a condensed version of the core guide that contains the 3-week schedule, shopping lists, prep guide, and smoothie recipes. This is a fast-track to-do list that will help you start enjoying the benefits of the program from the very first instant you download it. And finally, there is a limited offer of $10 off. Click the link in the description below for details.